Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here with my Monday video. Today it's a little bit different because I'm not ready to start a new project, and also I received this parcel when Vic Lichik was here, and we started to open it, and then I was like, oh no, I must open this on video. And then I got sick and lost my voice for about 2.5, nearly 3 weeks, and then I put the box aside because I was tidying up, and then I forgot about it, and then I remembered, and then I forgot about it. So I owe Jarf a huge apology. I'm a bit late in opening the parcel, so anyway, I'm here now and I'm going to do it. And there's a beautiful message here which I will read afterwards, and this is the Jarf, that is beautiful. This is the card that she made, so I'll read that afterwards. And thank you so much, Jarf, for this amazing thing that you've done. So let's have a look. So she's made everything in here, and from her beautiful kits, Medieval Mirage, and I'll link her shop in the description. And I have a feeling, I think I owe her the even bigger apology, because I think she's been waiting to do videos, like she's got videos of things. Oh, and these have all of her, this is with an envelope, and it has her beautiful labels in there. So that's wonderful. That's going to go into my label ephemera holder, and I will be able to use those and enjoy them. Great. And what she's done here is she's used the pockets like I do with the adhesive label holders, and you just look them up on Amazon. So that is fabulous, Jarf, and that is going straight there, so I can use those in my next videos. And then she sent these beautiful pieces of linens, it's cotton, but to be able to use all those bits and pieces. So oh my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous, so I will enjoy using that. Thank you so much. This is all handmade by Jarf. So there's some beautiful wax seals. Let's have a look at those quickly. I haven't used my wax for quite a while, but she's made a whole lot. Oh look, she's put images in. That's so clever. I don't know how you do that. Oh, they're beautiful. So they're beautiful things to be able to use on lots of R's. Thank you so much, Jarf. My word, it's a huge box full. So I'll just slide those back in there. I don't want to break them. Okay, what's in here? You can see why I stopped opening it straight away. Oh, this is embossed. What a beautiful pattern. And oh, another holder with some die cuts. Just amazing. Beautiful. I'll put that also here in where my books are. And then she's made these boxes from scratch, and they're, oh, what beautiful papers are they? That paper there. So inside there's one of Jarf's papers. Oh, she's covered the box. And then what are these? Coasters. Oh wow, they're amazing. Beautiful. Just beautiful, Jarf. Beautiful coasters. They're made on cork. Oh, they're all the same pattern. How beautiful. I'll open them all because I'll put them so I can use them. Just gorgeous. And then over here is a different ones with butterflies. I can see through how beautiful. So clever. I would never have thought to have made coasters, and they've got a special coating on them. Very, very clever. What a wonderful gift idea. So Jarf, I hope you're going to have, if you haven't already, put some videos up showing how to make all of those. Just gorgeous. And I think I'll put them back in the box. Amazing boxes too. It's a very pretty box. Okay. Then the next one, and I'm sure Vic, you've probably been waiting for me to open this, and you're thinking, woman, why haven't you opened it yet? Okay, my handmade stamps and handmade mini notepads for you, Steph and Lulu. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, let's have a look at the box first. So there's that. Oh, such pretty papers. There and there. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's look at the mini notepads. Oh, tiny little mini Velcro. Oh, and covered pen. Oh, my word, Jarf. You're amazing. Just beautiful. I'll put that there. Oh. True wheel stamps. Another one. S. That might be for Steph. Just amazing. Cute little wrapped up pencil. Beautiful. And then this one. So sweet. They're amazing. Oh, we'll be using those. And then these are handmade stamps. So cool. I wonder how you cut those out. That's incredible. I'm going to enjoy using those. And they can all stay in the box. And what's this one? Beautiful. Thank you so much. That would have been so much work putting all of that together, and then I'm so slow at sharing it. Just disgraceful behaviour. I'm always continually apologising to people. Got a memory like a sieve. Beautiful piece of old wallpaper. Beautiful pattern. Put that down there. Some napkins. Little kind of William Morrissey. Let's have a look. Very pretty napkins. Yes, very William. That one's, those are not. Very pretty. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Jarf. And then, what is this? Faded and frayed coffee stained method. I'm glad that you wrote labels on there, Jarf, otherwise I wouldn't know how to describe it. Should I move the box out of the way? Let's move the box onto the chair. So I'm pretty sure Jarf already has a video of doing that method. So that's an envelope. Oh, it's got stuff in it. Very beautiful. And all little bits in there to use. And she had a special kit that you could do this with. Beautiful laminated bookmark. And some lovely embossed paper. How beautiful. They will need to be hoarded. They are stunning. Very pretty patterns. Love, love, love. They are beautiful. Put those over there. And then these are her papers. See, there's the digitals, and then they fade off and they get tea dyed. Just beautiful. Plastic lace. Oh, there's with stencils. All different stencils. Got great results. I haven't done that for years. Remember we were doing that in the tubs? In fact, all my plastic doily things are downstairs. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jarf. Sorry about the rustling. And then here, what is this? This is faux rice paper with napkins. Clear one. It's white tissue paper. That's amazing. So hopefully, Jarf, you're going to have tutorials if you don't have them already. So these are those napkins that, like what Jarf gave me. How beautiful. We'll be using those. And that's embossed. Really nice. Stunning. Just beautiful. Very clever. That's that one. And that one. Incredible. Thank you, Jarf. And then, what do we have here? We have some wallpaper samples, gold foiled. Oh, she gold foiled the medieval initials, and they can be used as sticky. They've got a sticky backing. Just look at that. Amazing. Gorgeous. And then some old wallpaper. And then another piece of old wallpaper. So that is my video for today. I will link Jarf's channel and her store. She has beautiful digital kits. They are very large kits, so they're a little bit more expensive than normal kits, but that's just because you might get, you know, 50 odd or 40 odd, 50 odd pages in there. I'm not, maybe not that many, but there's a lot of pages in this. There's a lot of things, so that's why they're a little bit more pricey than others. So that is a beautiful, beautiful gift. I would treasure it. Thank you so much, Jarf. And I mean, look at these glorious boxes that you've done. Just stunning. So thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back next week with my next new project. I don't know what it's going to be yet. I need time to think about it. And yeah, have a great Monday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.